Kaya pa ba today? Hindi ko alam kung mascara to o dahil puyat na puyat ako every night. Time check. 1:17. And I finished all my sala set. Na-paint ko na. Gusto ko pang i-paint yung sa taas eh. I-retouch. However, I need to sleep na. It's past 1 AM when I need to go to Tarlac later. Rich Food Star! Nagulugo ka, kaya ba't ka-paint mo pala katawan? I don't mind. Skincare. May pa Chan City taki. There's something out there I can't resist. It must have been love, but it's over now. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. Hi, anak! Did you miss mommy? Ika lang! Oh! Yeah! I'll open it for you. Oh, look at me! Oh! Come here, Mick! Love, mommy! Oh! Did you miss mommy? Ayan na nga, pinuntahan na nga eh. Puntang heaven ang pagdadrive ng kapatid ko. Well, tuloy ang pagpipintura sa bahay. Info ng klase. Alisin na tong pink na to. Ikaw ba ay nalulong mo? Babalot pa ng puot. Laging nilalabi sa mundo. Say it's one night. I'll get you ready out of the church at the back door. Don't wait, please in the back. Your time is running out. Let me say it's big now. Wala akong gas. Talagang walang gas. But, don't care. Sino may sabi hindi ako makakain kahit walang gas? I can eat. Sko, mananungin, di ba? Ampoy ni. Tsaka kakini, di ba? Pak!
Missing Bill.
Good night.
After all songs apart, coming back to these two hearts, to when you should be rescued from the fall. No one has much figured out.
Yeah, finally centralized again ang ating internet dito sa taas. Finally! Thank you, Father, for teaching me maging lalaki sometimes when I needed to.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know it.
Let's go to school.
Madilim pa na dito na.
Saw you order up a latte. Suddenly I wanted one too. Got your name, got your number, and we talk till they
Haharanahin kita, saan tayo papunta? Hindi ko kahit wala lang.
4:35! Okay, 4:35! 4:35! Got my new scented candle. It smells so good. Now I can sleep. Sabi wear something purple. Oh, ayan.
Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me.
My problem is olive oil. Walang ordinary oil. Try mo to? Oh my God! Air fryer ko na lang ito for chocolate. Ay, hindi na perfect. I know you like feeling so moving. Last night, I lay blue. They can love me like you. They can love me like you. Sarap.
That's right. It's been a while. Pagkamulat ng mata, bidyoke agad.
It's Sunday.
It's fine, it's cool. You can say that we are nothing, but you know the truth. Last night I lay in bed so blue, 'cause I realized the truth. They can't love me like you.
This is just for you. Pakatago-tago mo dyan ha. Kung dyan ka talaga, doon ding daga ka. Alright. Ka-anxiety na ako sa donding daga na to. I bought 4 like this. Now, I'll wait. There! Okay. Oh yes, I got you. Do not go. Are you the bulilit? Ikaw lang bang mag-isa? Siguro din mo ikaw lang mag-isa. Wala na, wala ka nang kasama. Diyos ko, ako'y nahihirapan. Ako'y nakaawa. Pwede ba kitang pakawalan sa labas? Babae ba ito lalaki? Takot siya, oh, takot siya. Ay, kawawa ka naman. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Paano kita pakakawalan sa labas? I am very sorry.
Hindi ko na video. Huwag kang iiyak, naiiyak din ako. Ano gagawin ko? Diyos ko, sumisigaw din ako. Ikaw lang bang mag-isa? Diyan ka lang. Oh my God, siguro dahil ikaw lang mag-isa. Ayaw ko lang bumili ng sticky trap na to. I don't like it anymore. You see, oh, yung ating pinagkakalat mo. Siguro lang ikaw lang mag-isa. Ayaw ko na, naawa ako. Huwag kang iiyak, huwag kang iiyak. Lumalaban siya kanina. Ah! I'm very sorry. Hindi na kita mapapakawalan, mamamatay ka na. Oh my God! Mamamatay siya. Totoo ba to? Wala na akong daga? Final na to?
Kanya-kanya pong bilang ha. Magkano ang pera po ninyong binubuo ha? Bye! 12 o'clock. I will just eat and rest for an hour maybe. And after that, I will sleep again.
I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, I should know better, but it's just not the case. I couldn't ask for more than this time together. I couldn't ask for more than this time with you. And every prayer has been answered, and every dream I've had come true. Yeah, right here in this moment, it's right where I'm meant to be. Here with you, here with me.
Brunch. Spaghetti, apple shake, and fried chicken. Going home. It's 9 o'clock. Gotta go home. I know my time. And really want to go home. I didn't drink alcohol because I'm gonna drive.